How were the Himalayas formed? Millions of years ago, the Indian subcontinent and the Asian continent were separated by a large sea. During this period, sediment from both land masses was being washed down and deposited in the coastal water around them. The Indian subcontinent moved northward and toward the Asian continent. This is the cross-section of the two plates. The Indian subcontinent rests on the Indo-Australian plate, while the Asian continent rests on the Eurasian plate. The Indo-Australian plate was pulled towards and collided with the Eurasian plate. During the collision, the oceanic crust of the Indo-Australian plate subducted beneath the Eurasian plate. At the same time, sediment washed towards the nearby coastal water. The sediment was deposited in layers, with the lower layers bearing the weight of the overlying sediment. The weight helps squeeze out the water in the sediment. The sediment was compressed into rocks known as sedimentary rock. Over time, the two plates got closer. The water between the plates was squeezed away. As the continent of crust of both plates was thick and light, neither of them could subduct. The compressional force from the north-moving Indo-Australian plate folded up the sedimentary rock between the two plates, forming the fold mountains which we call the Himalayas. The map here shows that, after tens of millions of years, the Indian subcontinent and the Asian continent are joined by the Himalayas, which is formed by the folding up of sedimentary rock.